Welcome to our explainer video on climate change. Today, we'll dive into the major causes of climate change and explore effective solutions to combat this global issue. Across the globe, from the icy poles to the lush rainforests, our planet is experiencing a transformation unlike any seen in millennia. The delicate balance of Earth's climate is being disrupted, impacting every corner of our natural world and human civilization. Imagine our Earth enveloped by an invisible blanket, a delicate layer of gases that trap the sun's warmth and keep our planet habitable. However, human activities, particularly since the Industrial Revolution, have been injecting increasing amounts of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, these gases are thickening the atmospheric blanket, trapping more heat and causing our planet to warm. Like adding more logs to a fire, the intensified greenhouse effect is driving global temperatures higher, upsetting the balance of our climate system. Our journey now takes us to the Earth's verdant lungs, the immense forests that act as vital carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But these ancient forests, guardians of our planet's carbon balance, are under threat. Deforestation, driven by the insatiable demand for timber, land for agriculture and urban sprawl, is stripping away vast swathes of forest cover. This loss of forests not only diminishes Earth's capacity to absorb carbon, but also disrupts delicate ecosystems, impacting biodiversity and the livelihoods of communities that depend on them. Our exploration of climate change now takes us to the heartland of our food production systems, agriculture and livestock. While essential for sustaining human populations, these activities are significant contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Vast herds of cattle, raised to meet the global demand for meat and dairy, release methane, a potent greenhouse gas, through their digestion. Additionally, the widespread use of synthetic fertilizers injects nitrous oxide, another potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. Our investigation into climate change leads us to the heart of modern civilization: industrial activities. Industries power our world, but at a significant environmental cost. Steel, cement, and plastic production rely on fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide. Many processes generate harmful gases like methane and fluorinated gases. Rising demand for goods increases emissions, challenging our fight against climate change. Our exploration of climate change takes us now to a less visible but equally significant contributor: waste generation. As our consumption patterns escalate, so too do the mountains of waste we produce. Discarded food scraps, packaging, and other organic materials decompose in landfills, releasing methane, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. These emissions, often overlooked, are a significant contributor to global warming. The sheer volume of waste generated by modern societies presents a complex challenge, requiring innovative solutions for waste reduction, recycling, and sustainable waste management systems. Our exploration of climate change leads us to a fundamental driver: energy overconsumption. Our modern world thrives on energy, powering our homes, transportation systems, and industries. However, our insatiable appetite for energy comes at a significant environmental cost. The vast majority of our energy still comes from fossil fuels: coal, oil, and natural gas, the burning of which releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Transitioning to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources is paramount in our efforts to mitigate its impacts. Our journey through climate change takes us to sprawling metropolises, urbanization and transportation. Growing cities increase energy demands and emissions. Building infrastructure requires vast energy, often from fossil fuels. Fossil fuel-powered transportation releases steady emissions. Urban heat islands with concrete and minimal greenery worsen local warming. While human activities drive current climate change, natural factors have shaped our climate for millennia. Volcanic eruptions can cool the planet by blocking sunlight. Solar radiation variations influence Earth's temperature. Ocean currents regulate global climate patterns. Understanding these helps contextualize human-induced climate change. Thank you for watching. Remember, every small action counts in the fight against climate change. Let's work together for a sustainable future. From transitioning to renewable energy sources, to embracing sustainable transportation and reducing our consumption patterns, each step we take can make a difference. The challenge of climate change is complex and multifaceted, demanding a collective global effort to mitigate its impacts. By understanding the causes and embracing innovative solutions, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come.